This is the Unity Hybrid Laser Cut MOLLE Zone B placard by Safe-Life Defense. This will bring you full MOLLE compatibility without any of the bulk or weight of traditional MOLLE webbing. Now, this will install in Zone B, which is your front lower area of your vest. And if we turn this over, you'll notice that it has 4 tabs. These are going to be your Unity mounting tabs, and it's what we're going to be using to securely and precisely get this onto your vest. Now, if you look at the leftmost tab, you'll notice that it always has the model, Laser Cut MOLLE, as well as its zone, B, and its size. If you need help determining what size is compatible with your vest, you can reference this simple chart. Makes it nice and easy. On the farthest most right-hand side, you will always see the US flag because we proudly make these 100% in the USA, and we'll always be doing that. Now to install this, we're going to be inserting these through these slits. It's going to go in through the top and out of the bottom. I like to stop just at the tip of that tab. I like to do that for all 4 of them. If you pull them all the way through, you can get it done, but it gets a little bit misaligned and becomes a little more tricky. And I like things that are nice and easy. Once you have all 4 tabs through, we're going to pull them until they're nice and snug. You don't have to pull these very hard. We're just getting them all the way through. Once you do that, I like to back it out just a hair. And that's so that we can eliminate this cosmetic pulling that may exist if you pulled them just a bit tight. Again, not necessary, but I like things to look good. These tabs at the bottom that are exposed are going to be going into these lower slots. That will ensure that we have full Velcro coverage so that we can pull our placard down and secure it nice and tight. Now this will stay here for many, many years to come, but only if you want it to. If you want to swap this out to a different placard, you're going to do the same thing in reverse, and there are tons of options to choose from. This is the Safe-Life Defense Unity Hybrid Laser Cut MOLLE placard.